Welcome back to another video on the channel, and the reason you're not seeing my face, it is because I am injured. And I'm sitting on the porch of the lake, and I'm at the lake because my sister's getting her driving test done, but I can't fish because I have a giant gash on my leg. And if you want to know what the gash looks like, it looks like this. And you're not seeing the actual picture because if you saw the actual picture, you will you will lose your lunch. I'm just saying that. It was a pretty deep cut, it was pretty long, but today's video we're fishing in the fall transition. The fall transition, it can suck sometimes. It was literally perfect conditions. It was raining, okay? It was raining, as you're seeing in the video, and it was cloudy. I did end up catching some fish, but they were far and few between. I found a little school in the grass. I caught a big one on a buzz bait. But yeah, well, enough talking. Let's just get in today's video. Told you. What did I say? Now, this, you gotta be careful. The little guy, right down the middle here. Goodness, dude. Oh, big bass, big bass. Oh my gosh, big bass. Sticky. 6 pounder. Oh my gosh, big, 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 big. I'm telling you, bro, it's big. It's massive. It's stinking massive. Oh my gosh. It's stinking massive, bro. It's stinking massive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's massive. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's massive. Oh my gosh, it's like an 8 pounder, bro. It's like a stinking 8 pounder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at the net. Oh my god. Oh, okay, where's that? Over here, plug the buzz bait. Okay, we good. Oh my gosh. Bro. Are you stinking kidding me, bro? Like a stinking 8 pounder. Oh, dude. Bro, you gotta be joshing my tots, dude. Ow. Oh my goodness, he bent the buzz plate. Oh, I nose ringed the guy. Bro. Oh my goodness. Stinking, not an 8 pounder, probably like a 6 again, but another 6, bro. Oh my goodness. Dude. On the stinking buzzbait, man. Bro. Oh, he's hurting my hand, bro. He's giant. He's giant. Dude. Bro. What is with these giant fish eating top water? Oh my gosh. That's another 6 pounder, bro. We have a bag of 6 pounders, dude. We have a stinking bag of 6 pounders, baby. 6 pounder, dude. Stinking. $6-1, I'm redoing that. Yeah, she's 6'4". 603. That's a pretty dang good one, bro. We have 12 pounds. We have 12.5 pounds. Stinking 6 pounders, baby. Dude. What is this about? Underwater release time, bro. Y'all are getting an underwater release of this bad sucker. This bad mamba jamba right here. Oh, there, buckaroonie. Oh, 6-pounder, bro. Stinking. Oh my goodness, dude. Stinking 6-pounder on the buzz bait. Oh my god. Stinking 6-pounder. On the dang buzzerton. She's bent the buzz bait. Look at that. Another 6. I caught a 6. I'll put a picture up on the screen right now. But I caught a 6-pounder on a walking bait earlier today. But what is with these big bass and eating topwater, dude? A weightless fluke. There we go. Got one, boy. Got one. I know there had to be another one in there. He's a little guy. Compared to the 6-pounder we caught earlier, but and he's still a good fish. He's still a respectable one. Not really, but it's a chunker. There you go. A little fella. Boink. Another one. Another one. Another exact same spot. Water skiing in. Bro, look how he ate the fluke. He ate it. Oh, never mind. He ate it tail first. Alright. Respectable one. Another little guy. But I'm wrong. Oh, it's a good one, I think. But I will be wrong with there being a bass over here. I don't think it's a big one. She's pulling drag, that's for sure. Don't come off. I mean, she's not a... She's pulling drag, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah, she's a good one. She's a good one right here. A good little boy right here. 15% left in the GoPro. Here's a fighter, golly, man. You done, bro? There, my guy. Wow, belly scoop. Good bass right there. Top of the mouth. Solid little fish here. I mean, solid big fish here. Alright, see ours? Probably like a 3-pounder or so. Send her back. Oh gosh, there's one up there. I think it's a little guy. Hey, but he's a bass though. Hey, don't go into that dock, boy. That's fun fighting him on a BFS rod, I'll tell you that. Bow flip. Hooked him outside the mouth. A little fellow. Come on. Get off of her. Boink. bro.